Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write the following in short form, or we can say in decimal number. So basically we have to add 3000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 5 plus 7 by 10 can be written as 0.7, 1 by 100 can be written as 0.01 and 1 by 1000 can be written as 0.001. So now we have to add these numbers. So let's add this together and then this decimal number together. So 3000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 5. So we have to add this. So this will be a simple addition, 3465, and now we have to add these three decimal numbers, 0.7, 0.01, 0.001. So in decimal number we write this decimal point in the same line. Now we can see for proper addition we can add 0 after decimal. It do not change the value of the number. Now we have to add this. So if we add this we will get 0.711. Now what we have to do is we have to add 3465 and 0.711. So let's add 3465 and 0.711. So let's place a decimal here because it does not changes its value. Now we can add this decimal number like this. Let's add it. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 7 is 7, 0.5 plus 0 is 5, then 6, 4, 3. So finally we can see 3465.711 is the required decimal number. Hence we can say this is our answer.